Welcome back to another DIY with Asa Essentials and Upgrades. My name is Asa and welcome. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be creating these beautiful bronze, gold, silver candle holders. Very easy to do and very budget friendly. The bottom pieces from the thrift store, and the top you can get from Dollar Tree, Dollarama, and the decor from the dollar store. So if you'd like to see how to create these beautiful candle holders, please continue watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. So cute. This is very budget friendly. This candlesticks, two, I believe, two for $2 each, depending on where you go. The bowl for $1.50, maybe $4.50. Again, depends on where you go. You can find these at the thrift store or Value Village or secondhand store. The glitter from Amazon. So I did a little bit of decor at the end. You should see that coming up at the end. So again guys, thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy the videos. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I shall see you in the next DIY video. Take care and bye for now.